You have tried so many different things to earn money online and nothing works. You're frustrated and you don't want to do it anymore because nothing seems to work. You're watching online gurus telling you you can earn 10, 20, 30, 50,000 euro a month, but nothing works you have tried until now. And you also don't want to be like them to work 24/7 to sacrifice everything. If this sounds like you, then this video is for you. So hey, my name is Jerko Barniak and today I want to talk about why so many people who are trying to earn money online are failing. So the one thing is there's so many gurus out there who are telling you, okay, you have to work like 24/7. That means every day, the whole week, the whole hours. But I'm not a fan of it. For me, it should be, if you can work online and if you want to work online, you should have the freedom to, decide, okay, how much hours do you want to work, how much money you want to earn. And if for you it's enough to earn like 5,000, 10,000, 3,000 euro per month, or even 20,000, and you don't need to go to 100,000 a month or 1 million a month, then this video is here for you. I'm a fan of choosing the right vehicle which can help you, earning those kind of money, but without working 12 hours a day. And the vehicle I'm talking about here on this channel, or what I love to do, is, selling your knowledge online. And if you haven't already heard about this online, this is the one business model you can, do to sell your knowledge online and to earn money online without working 12 hours a day. So, how does it work? So, you have to ask yourself, what knowledge do I have which others need? What problems can I solve for others? This could be sales. This could be, showing others how to lose weight. This could be showing others how to date. This could be showing others how to, I don't know, uh, taking care of their dogs in the right way. Or this can be how to ride horses or how to build funnels. It doesn't matter what it is, there are so many different things you can teach people who are willing, to pay money for it. And not just a little bit of money, they're willing to pay you 1,000, 2,000, $3,000 for your knowledge. And in my opinion, this is the best way to earn money online without working 12 hours a day. First thing you should decide, okay, what knowledge do you have, or think about it. What knowledge can you get maybe the next 3 months, 6 months, if you don't have any knowledge? But I believe you have knowledge in some area which you can teach others and help them solve their problems. So the first thing you need is know what you're selling. For example, helping others lose weight. Then the second thing is, okay, where can I get those clients? Online. Okay. So online, you're getting clients through social media, through paid advertising or organic marketing. So if you choose organic, that means you're posting on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, X. It doesn't matter where you post content there. And when you post content there, show your expertise that you really know about what you're talking, what you're selling. And if someone is interested, they will contact you. This is one strategy you can do. Then you have, okay, you have your acquisition channel, or you have your, where you're getting the attention or the promotion for your thing you do. Then the next step is, do the sales. You can, have a chat with them or doing a Zoom call. And for this kind of stuff, I made separate videos, how you do the sales call, how you, should price your offer, how you should present your offer, how you should create your offer. So you have your acquisition channel, then the sales cycle, and then you're working with them together. Simple as that. Really simple, not complicated. You don't need to do all the channels like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Only choose one channel which is best for you If you're comfortable with writing, for example, then choose Twitter or X. If you're comfortable with creating videos, then choose YouTube. There are different channels for different offers. You have to ask yourself, where is my audience? Where are the people who are interested in buying my things? For example, TikTok, there are more people who are younger there. Then you should think, okay, if I'm selling something to, young people, I can do it there. But there are also, serious business owners over there. But on YouTube, there are all kind of people. For example, on Facebook, there are in general more older people. So you should decide, okay, where you can do the promotion for your thing, and that's it. You know what you're selling? You're selling your knowledge to people who are, have those problems, who are interested in your offer, and you earn money. Simple as that. And how you can, deliver the service? The easiest way to deliver a high ticket or a premium consulting service or coaching is you have kind of couple of videos you can show them, or if you just starting out, you don't have to have the videos, just have weekly calls with them and, for example, WhatsApp support so they can ask you questions. And with every call you're building your library for your course, and then it will get easier and easier for you to deliver the results to your clients. You will have a course. In addition to that, doing the weekly calls, which you can always record and always, see, okay, what questions are my clients asking me? And then you just create a video for your course. And then it's like a cycle. You have more and more, videos in your library or in your course for your clients. And you will be happy and them also. So this is how you, in a really simple way, can earn money online without working 12 hours a day. Sell your knowledge online. Choose the simplest funnel you can have. Get attention, for example, to a website. And on those websites, you have an explainer video where you explain in short, okay, you're working with these people and with these people you're not working. This is what you can give them or deliver them. And this is how the applying process or how the process works to work with you together. They should book a call, then you have the call with them, ask them a couple questions. Okay, are we a good fit? Yes or no? And if we are, we can work together. This is the price. That's it. Simple as that. If you want to add more in detail video about this, I will create it. But this was just a really simple video so you can see how simple it can be to earn money online. And this is one simple way you can earn money online, which will not destroy your peace without working 12 hours a day for the next 5 years. If you're comfortable with earning some kind of money, which is really great in comparison to other things people are doing or other jobs. So you want to have peace, you want to earn money online, you want to choose the time you're working, you want to help people, you want to do the things you love, create business which helps others, and keep it really simple and easy without having a team or without having to worry about a million things. And if you're doing this and if you at some point decide, okay, I want to, make it really big, you can do it. You can scale it further. But this will require more work, maybe team members, maybe different things, but you are choosing how you want to have it. You're not required to then work 10 hours a day. You can also work like 2-3 hours a day, 4 hours a day, and have really great results. I hope this video helped you. If you're interested, how this business models work, go down in the description, click the link and watch the video. So I wish you a great day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.